Take a ride in the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, keyless ignition, cruise control, fog lamps, electronic stability control, USB connection, power door locks, power windows, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, leather, technology package, alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.